What's up everybody, Amauris Hernandez here. So for this video, it's a little bit different. It's more, I guess you could say personal, more family. So if you've been following me for a while, you've probably seen these photos up here on the screen. My little buddy, more like my sister now. I photographed her 616, confirmation, and even her graduation. But this time, my little sis turning 21. So I also shot that. So I'm gonna give you guys like a little breakdown of what I did. So for this session, her mom was pretty much the creative director. We did 2 looks, but for this one, I'm only showing you 1 look, 2 setups. So for both setups, I used the optical snow. So for the first setup, I used actually this effect that's going on back there, but I attached this Magmod CTO gel to the holder of the gobo. So pretty much, I'm gonna show you what I did. I just squeezed it in there just to cover the whole gobo design itself. Put it back in, and voila. Now, if you have an optical snoot, you know that these things can get hot. But if you're using a strobe, it won't get hot. So keep that in mind. See, I have these Magmod gels just laying around because when I used to shoot event, just to color correct stuff on the scene. But you can also use it for your optical snoot. So instead of putting like a whole gel in front of the lens, which is what I'm doing right now, to make it quick and easier, just put that into this holder of the gobo, choose the color that you want if you want to switch it up, and you're set to go. So for this first setup, it was already dark in the studio session, you can see. So I wanted to bring in like some type of sunset, like right borderline to the sunset colors. This is what I was able to do with the short time that we had left of studio time. Glance at me. Bring the chin down just a little bit. Abajo, abajo. More. Ahí. Now for this setup, I switched the gobo to the dot. So what I decided to do, there was some type of cherry blossom tree there, prop that I brought in. They did some type of butterfly makeup design, which is pretty dope. So I wanted to focus on that, but also focus on her because it's her birthday shoot. These are those results. Look at me.
Oh my God.
You look like you're smelling it. Hold that facial expression. Look at me. No, but look at me. Your eyes. Hold that. I think without embrace yourself. That's too long. Yeah, perfect. Glance at me. Now let me know in the comments down below which of these setups do you like more and which one do you plan on trying out. Everything that I use for this shoot is in the description down below, so if you're interested in any of that, it does help me. I am affiliated with Amazon and ADORAMA, so if you're interested in purchasing anything, I truly appreciate it. I do get a little kickback and it does help the channel to create more content. But that is it for me. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, follow, share to help this video in the algorithm, and stay tuned for more coming soon.